There we go. A healthy team is a happy team. Get up, you know. Get up! That's a predator.
Rise, my brother, and fight again.
Hold on. Yeah, come down here. I can't. Get out of the way, fool. Like, I'm right here. Why are you gonna fight with me, man? I'm gonna come to reviving someone. Don't do that. You know, there's an apothecary though. Don't try and revive the guy. Because of how great the targeting is, I was healing the guy that was reviving him. Hello, thanks for coming. Welcome. Of course, dude. How for the game? Gear War player? Is that the right acronym? Gears of War? Oh, Space Marine Death? Well, yeah, there's a lot of inspiration in this game from Space Marine itself. So, apparently you're a fan of third-person shooters. What you're seeing right now is a very early alpha. Feature incomplete, to say the least. Yeah, performance isn't great, lots of bugs as to be expected in the alpha, but it's still insanely fun. Oh boy, what the hell just blew me up? Kingdom Come. Just use a kick against him, works really well. Yeah, nice control. When it doesn't bug out, it works well. Too bad the kick bugs out more times than not. Right, are they both chaos in there? Yeah. Oh, nope. Keep away from that grenade. Freaking out. It worked! Oh my god, it worked. I gotta be back. What the hell? What the hell is that? Look at that guy. Is it comparable control mechanic-wise? Similar. I mean, it's familiar. It's not exactly that familiar. Oh, he actually got me there. Well, I did play Space Marine, but I never played it competitive, like PvP, because I picked it up. When did I buy it? October or November? So I never really dipped into the PvP side of things because of just how, I guess how old the game was, you know. There wasn't a whole lot of people playing and shit. But controls wise, yeah, it's similar. Is there a melee combo mechanic? Not in the sense that you're thinking, like, I'll show you in a second. Like, if you can see where I'm swinging from right to left, it's a bit quicker than left to right. And you can do a heavy charge attack in there somewhere. But that's about it right now.